course, that time of year, so much to celebrate. And how about pulling out all the vintage wear, whether it's china or ornaments, all the things? Interior designer has you asking, is it safe? Could it contain lead? Way to bring the scary on the holidays. But it's important to know. We got Sandy Ziegler here. Good to see you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Okay, we always think about bringing out these heirlooms, and vintage is all the rage. But lead was commonly used back then.
Absolutely.
So you could have lead in your china plates.
Absolutely. Anything before 1970 in the paint and in the glazes. So even if it's white, you want to be checking because it could be in the glaze. So what you do is you get a lead testing kit.
And where can we get these?
So on my website, you look in the search bar, just look for China, and there's a link in there to get a testing kit.
Gotcha.
Super simple.
There we go. We're showing the information right there, and you can scan the QR code and go right there to see it. When you get these, there are a whole bunch of cotton swabs in here. They look
that's
like
correct.
Little colored Q-tips, right?
Yep, exactly. The little mustard colored things.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is you're going to take it and put it in water for just about 2 seconds until it slightly changes color. Shake it off just a little bit.
Okay.
Then you're going to take it and you're going to just rub it on the plate for 30 seconds. And then as it starts to test, if there's lead in it, it will actually change color and turn pink.
Okay.
So this one is slightly turning pink. And what's very interesting is I went to the Franklin area and went to an antique store and found these plates which are nearly identical. One of them tests positive for lead, one does not. So
wow,
you cannot,
I feel like mine is the no.
Yours
mine
is a
safe.
no for
yours
sure.
Yours is changing colors,
yes,
though.
Mine
I see
is,
that.
Yep, mine is turning slightly pink. This one will turn very, very pink on the gold. Go ahead, go for it.
I'm going to do a little.
Yep, that one. If you have any gold on your china, be very, very careful. Test it. It will absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, sure. It's changing right away.
Yeah, exactly.
There we go.
So.
Can you guys see that? It's starting to change into that red or violet.
Yeah,
and I tell you, I knew you were coming, and so I got one of these.
Yeah.
And I put them on my grandmother's ornaments, like radioactive. It was like danger, danger. It was crazy. I was surprised. So ornaments, maybe it's not so bad because it's not like I'm licking my ornaments.
Right.
But the plates.
Yes.
What could be the harm in that?
So the lead will leach from the food or from the plate into your food. So then you're consuming lead. And it's just something that people who are younger may not be thinking about because, you know, they grew up in a lead-free world. So, yeah. And then this, leaded crystal versus glass.
Okay.
Some of our antique glasses could be leaded crystal. One of the things to know is they have all these markings, very fine cuts.
Yeah, the etches, sure.
And then just the sound test. So a glass will sound like this. Just a little clink.
Okay.
Leaded crystal sings.
Now leaded crystal sings.
Leaded crystal sings. So when you hear that
Can you just
singing,
have crystal without lead? I know this might be a big dumb question, but okay.
No. But if it's leaded crystal, it will sound like this.
Oh.
Versus.
It sounds so nice.
I know.
It's dangerous.
Don't drink from it.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Yikes. So you kind of dove into this world because your focus is in interior design, also artwork.
Yes.
I'd be remiss if I didn't mention these big items that you brought here. This is just a sampling of some of the art that you do.
Yes. So I am a painter. I love interior design. So you'll find free interior designs on my website, as well as a store where you can buy my paintings. On merchandises like cell phone cases and mugs and all kinds of fun things.
Yeah, I noticed that. So whether you want to have the canvas or want to have the beautiful artwork on your phone, so cool. 10% off today if you go to szartfullydesign.com. Follow her on Instagram, szartfullydesigned. 10% off. Thank you so much. So good for having you.